Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you through some key points to remember about object numbering. I'll just be covering the basics. You can find more information on the Collections Trust website. The content in this video supports one of the requirements in the Spectrum acquisition and accessioning procedure. The requirement is that you give a unique number to each accessioned object and securely label or mark it with this number. The form that these numbers take will vary from museum to museum, depending on individual needs and also past practice. In this video, we're going to show you some examples. In this video, we're going to focus on accession numbers, but it's worth noting that numbering is also relevant to other Spectrum procedures, for example, object entry numbers and temporary numbers that might be assigned during inventory. Numbering museum objects is important because a unique number securely attached to the object in some way creates a link between the object and its associated information, for example, about its acquisition or its provenance. If this link is broken, the museum will have to spend valuable time and resources investigating and re-establishing the link between the object and its information. Accession numbers are numbers allocated in the museum's accession register and should only be applied to objects formally acquired by the museum for its long-term collections. These numbers are unique and should never be reused, even if an object has been disposed of, because you need to keep all of that associated information. The format of accession numbers is a decision for each museum, but there are several common approaches. You might use a simple running number system starting at 1, as you can see on the screen here. For example, 14603, 14604, and so on. A more common system is to use the year that something has been accessioned, followed by a running number. For example, as you can see here, 2022.1 represents the first object accessioned in the year 2022. We usually advise that you keep the number format simple. It does not need to contain additional information such as the storage location or the object type. Information like this is usually stored in the object's catalogue record, with the number providing that link between the object and that information. Objects acquired by the museum from different sources should always be given separate, unique accession numbers. For example, 3 objects acquired from different sources in 1999, if we were using the number format we've just seen, would be numbered 1999.1, 1999.2, and 1999.3. If an acquisition from the same source consists of several parts, a suffix can be added to create a unique number for each of those parts. For example, 1991.24.1, 1991.24.2, and so on. As many museums use similar numbering systems, Collections Trusts can issue your museum with a 5-letter MDA code, which will uniquely identify an object to its museum within the UK. You can find more information about MDA codes and how to get one on our website. As I mentioned earlier, you might also use reference numbers when implementing other Spectrum procedures, such as loan-in reference numbers, which can be assigned when borrowing objects. You can find more information about the different types of numbering in the guidance on our website. Finally, we often get asked about renumbering, perhaps because your previous numbering systems have not been neat or have not been kept very tidy. We would usually advise against renumbering, and you can read more about why, as well as solutions to common numbering issues in our renumbering guidance on the website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to look at all of our guidance about numbering, as well as safe labeling and marking techniques, which you can find on the Collections Trust website.